بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر.
The day of judgment came near, and the moon has split.
وإن يروا آية يعرضوا ويقولوا سحر مستمر.
And if they, i.e., the disbelievers, see a sign, they therefore turn away their faces and say, this is just ongoing magic.
وكذبوا واتبعوا أهواءهم وكل أمر مستقر.
And they belied and followed their own desires, and each matter has been decided.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُم مِّنَ الْأَنبَاءِ مَا فِيهِ مُزْدَجَرٌ.
And indeed, those tidings have come to them wherein there was enough deterrence.
حِكْمَةٌ بَالِغَةٌ فَمَا تُغْنِ النُّذُرُ.
The Quran is perfect wisdom, then what benefit do warners give?
فَتَوَلَّ عَنْهُمْ يَوْمَ يَدْعُ الدَّاعِ إِلَى شَيْءٍ نُكُرٍ.
So turn your face away from them, the day when the caller will call towards a severe unknown matter.
خُشَّ عَنْ أَبْصَارُهُمْ يَخْرُجُونَ مِنَ الْأَجْدَاثِ كَأَنَّهُمْ جَرَادٌ منتشر.
They will come out from the graves with eyes downcast, as if they are scattered swarms of locusts.
مهطعين إلى الداع يقول الكافرون هذا يوم عسير.
Hastening towards the caller, the disbelievers will say, this is a hard day.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح فكذبوا عبدنا وقالوا مجنون وازدجر.
Before these, i.e., the disbelievers, the people of Nuh belied. Thus they belied our bondsman and said, he is a madman, and scolded him.
فدعا ربه أني مغلوب فانتصر.
So he supplicated to his Lord that I am overpowered, therefore take revenge on my behalf.
ففتحنا أبواب السماء بماء منهمر.
We henceforth opened the gates of heaven with water flowing intensely.
وفجرنا الأرض عيونا فالتقى الماء على أمر قد قدر.
And made the earth as springs gushing out, so the two waters met, totaling a quantity which was destined.
وحملناه على ذات ألواح ودسر.
And we caused Nuh to board upon the structure, i.e., the ark of wooden planks and nails,
تجري بأعيننا جزاء لمن كان كفر.
sailing in front of our sight. All of this happened as a reward for him, i.e., for Nuh, who was rejected by the people.
وَلَقَدْ تَرَكْنَاهَا آيَةً فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
And we left this incident as a sign. So, is there anyone to ponder?
فَكَيْفَ كَانَ عَذَابِي وَنُذُرِ.
So, how dreadful was my punishment and my threats?
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize?
كذبت عاد فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
The tribe of Ad belied. So, how was my punishment and the declarations of my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في يوم نحس مستمر.
we indeed sent towards them a severe windstorm on a day whose ill fortune lasted upon them forever.
تنزع الناس كأنهم أعجاز نخل منقعر.
It was demolishing people in such a way as if they were uprooted trunks of date trees.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So, how was my punishment and the declaration of my warnings?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So is there anyone to memorize it?
كذبت ثمود بالنذر.
The tribe of Thamud belied the messengers.
فقالوا أبشرا منا واحدا نتبعه إنا إذا لفي ضلال وسعر.
So they said, shall we follow a man from amongst us? Then if we do so, we are definitely misguided and foolish.
أألقي الذكر عليه من بيننا بل هو كذاب أشر.
The Thamud said, from all of us has the revelation come down only upon him? Rather he, i.e., the Prophet Salih, is most untruthful, boastful.
سيعلمون غدا من الكذاب الأشر.
Allah replied, they will soon come to know who was the most untruthful, boastful.
إنا مرسل الناقة فتنة لهم فارتقبهم واصطبر.
We are about to send the she-camel to test them. Therefore, O Salih, wait and have patience.
ونبئهم أن الماء قسمة بينهم كل شرب محتضر.
And inform them that the water is to be shared between the she-camel and them. Only those whose turn it is may come to their share to obtain the water.
فنادوا صاحبهم فتعاطى فعقر.
Consequently, they called their companion, who therefore caught the she-camel and cut the arteries from the lower part of her legs.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So, how was my punishment and the declarations of my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم صيحة واحدة فكانوا كهشيم المحتضر.
Indeed, we sent upon them a single scream. Thereupon they became like leftover twigs of dry trampled grass of the builder of a cattle enclosure.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize it?
كذبت قوم لوط بالنذر.
The people of Lut belied the messengers.
إنا أرسلنا عليهم حاصبا إلا آل لوط نجيناهم بسحر.
Indeed, we sent a storm of stones upon them except the family of Lut. We rescued them in the last part of the night.
نعمة من عندنا كذلك نجزي من شكر.
As a favor from us, this is how we reward the one who is thankful.
ولقد أنذرهم بطشتنا فتماروا بالنذر.
And indeed, he had warned them about our grip. Consequently, they doubted in the declarations of warning.
ولقد راودوه عن ضيفه فطمسنا أعينهم فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
And they tried to influence him regarding his guests. We henceforth blinded their eyes. Allah said, taste my punishment and the declarations of warning.
ولقد صبحهم بكرة عذاب مستقر.
And indeed, the lasting punishment came upon them early in the morning.
فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
So taste my punishment and declarations of warning.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر
And we have indeed made the Quran easy to memorize. So, is there anyone to memorize it?
ولقد جاء آل فرعون النذر
And indeed the messengers came to the people of Fir'aun.
كذبوا بآياتنا كلها فأخذناهم أخذ عزيز مقتدر.
They belied all of our signs. We henceforth seized them with punishment, as was befitting to the magnificence of the Most Honorable, the All-Powerful.
أكفاركم خير من أولئكم أم لكم براءة في الزبر.
O people of Arabia, are your disbelievers better than them, the previous disbelievers? Or is your exemption written in the books?
أم يقولون نحن جميع منتصر.
Or do they say, we shall all take revenge together as a group?
سيهزم الجمع ويولون الدبر.
The group will soon be chased away, and they will turn their backs to flee.
بل الساعة موعدهم والساعة أدهى وأمر.
Rather, the day of judgment is their promised time, and the day of judgment is very dreadful and very bitter.
إن المجرمين في ضلال وسعر.
Indeed, the criminals are misguided and are insane.
يوم يسحبون في النار على وجوههم ذوقوا مس سقر.
On the day when they will be dragged upon their faces in the fire, and it will be said to them, taste the heat of hell.
إنا كل شيء خلقناه بقدر.
We have indeed created everything with a proper measure.
وما أمرنا إلا واحدة كلمح بالبصر.
And our command is only saying once, like the blink of an eye.
ولقد أهلكنا أشياعكم فهل من مدكر.
And we have indeed destroyed many groups like you. So, is there anyone to ponder?
وكل شيء فعلوه في الزبر.
And whatever they did is present in the books.
وكل صغير وكبير مستقر.
And every small and great thing is documented.
إن المتقين في جنات ونهر.
Indeed, the pious are amongst gardens and streams.
في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر.
Present in an assembly of the truth in the majestic court of the most powerful king.
صدق الله العظيم.